Hi guys, welcome back to IFX Academy's daily analysis on pound USD guys. Last week we did not do a weekly analysis. Hence, this is the analysis chart from 2 weeks ago. Anyways, guys, what's going on? In my opinion, we are getting a top on the pound, and guys, as long as for this week, in my opinion, as long as the price stays below 1.34537, guys, we are bearish and we are already at kind of like at a support area, but I would mark the next support area which is located at 1.32922. Okay guys, I keep on selling this as long as the price stays below 1.34537. Okay guys, this week may turn out to be a bearish week, but you never know. Hence we always use stop losses, we always manage our trades, we always calculate risk and reward ratios to stay profitable. Anyways, we are soon launching a tool as well to help manage your trades. It won't give you signals, it won't help you uh, 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 sell or buy. It will obviously assist you in trades. So, anyways, guys, wishing you guys the best of luck. Hope you guys make money trading this way, and see you guys tomorrow.